What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the CMF Buds 1. I understand there's a Buds 2 right now, but I decided just to get started with the CMF Buds 1. This is my first time to check out the CMF products, and to be honest, they captured me through a different perspective. So we're gonna just unbox it, check it out, and see how goody it is. So yeah, let's get started. Ooh, there we go. As you can see that. So I like the way they brand their boxes. I like the way they keep their stuff. It's really slick, to be honest. So we're gonna just jump on this kind of bad boy from CMF and see what's goody throughout their buds. But I believe it's really good. I understand there is a CMF Buds 2 which has much better specification, but the CMF Buds 1 still, it's really dope. So the color is really slick. But enough of me talking, let's get started through unboxing this bad boy. So guys, here's our bad boy. As you can see, really nice packaging, to be honest. You're having your extra tips of buds over here, and you're having the bad boy here. Now I'm gonna keep the bad boy first of all aside, and I think at the back there is paperwork, which is really nice. So the paperwork is stated here CMF but nothing buds, and you can just read it and understand. And I like the font typeface they're using. It's really nice because showcasing the brand how it is. And through here, the extra buds you're getting, and yeah, you're not getting a USB cable or something. It does not come with a cable. So unboxing our bad boy here. Really slick color. I really love the color. This is just a normal wheel. I guess it does not have a function, I guess, so I cross my fingers for that. But you can see you can keep your lanyard in here, which is great. And on this side there's a USB Type-C, and you're having the button for checking out the juice capability. So this is your LED to indicate how much juice you're left. And I think unlocking it's just this way. This is really looking great, to be honest. I kind of vibe with that and love the way they kept the form factor. The quality wise throughout these buds, it's really impressive. And you can remove this kind of stuff over here. So yeah, so this is the Vanguard earbud, which they copy pasted nothing completely. So as you can see, the form factor, even they just copy pasted everything. But the quality wise of the sound, I can say it's quite not bad, but they just nail it throughout the copy paste of nothing earbuds. So really great, not bad. And as you can see, even the form factor, you can't tell any difference through here. So yeah, that's it. Just a little bit of overview to see what's happening. There we go. So we're gonna just tap on buds, and it will right now be connected. Set up this device. Okay, really cool application, to be honest. And yeah, it just gives you some tips how you can do that. That's all. So it's connecting right now. So you just have to remove the earbuds so as you can have total control of the application. And there we go. You can see this equalizer, ultra bass, if you need ultra bass on or off, and you have total control between your earbud, the left one and the right one. The application comes really in handy. It's just you depending on what you really need throughout your earbud, controlling them and all of that. It's really worth it. You have equalizer in here, you have direct opted, which is really great. So it's time just to test them and wear them and hear them, how much sound it is. And guess what, we're having the firmware update right now. I'm gonna just do it later. So it's really great. So let's test them out right now. I'm gonna share with you guys the sound on the mic so as you can hear how much it's picking. It's a little bit closer on the microphone. Quite not bad, to be honest. It's almost there. Really cool. That's a heavy bass. To be honest, the CMF Buds 1 captured me through a different perspective throughout the buds. They have a really good sound. You can tweak around on the equalizer side to give you much better sound depending on what you really need. And they come really good in colors. Like the colors, they're so reflective. Somebody can just see and spot that what type of earbuds are you having. Perhaps it's having a different kind of flavor on the coloring. But just know that your boy here, I'll be coloring these buds like crazy, giving it a little bit of different perspective. Overall, it's great. Let's talk about the specification of Nothing CMF Buds 1. Well, it comes with the 3 colors. There's a light gray, there's orange, which we have, there's even a dark gray. 42 dB active noise cancellation ANC with transparency mode. Well, it comes with the Bluetooth version 5.3 and a fast pair. It has a high definition audio tuned by D-Rock, which is really great. On top of that, it has a dust and water resistance, which is rated IP54. It has a 12.4mm biofiber custom TPU diaphragm throughout your earbud. Well, talking about the battery side, well, it has 35.5 hours throughout the buds and the case. It has an ultra bass technology 2.0. It has even a game mode, which is low lag mode throughout gaming. It has a dual device connection, so you can connect between your phone or your laptop, which is really great combination. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the CMF Buds 1. To be honest, from my perspective, yeah, if you're brand new to CMF Buds, well, get a CMF Buds 2. But if you just want to test around and play around just like me, get a CMF Buds 1. It's really good, and you can grab a CMF Buds 2 just to see a little bit of a difference throughout there and understand the CMF Buds 2 has much features like control this kind of bad boy, the wheel. But that's not such a big deal, because why should I just use that? Because sometimes it might be interrupted. You keep it on your pocket, you keep it somewhere, just somebody does that, you know, it's weird sometimes. But overall, it's a great feature for the CMF Buds 2, I can say. And they've done bunch of stuff throughout the case to make it more better, I can say. That's it. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. Last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna see you guys on the next tech video, and peace.